In this video, we're going to go over how to divide a fraction by a whole number. So say I were to give you the question 3 over 4 divided by 2, and I told you to find the answer. How would you do this? Well, our first step is going to be to convert the 2 into a fraction. So 3 over 4 divided by 2 is the same thing as 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 1. And so now that we have two fractions, we can continue with the question. So I want you to remember the keep, change, flip rule. You're going to keep the first fraction the same, you're going to change the division into multiplication, and then you're going to flip the second fraction. So 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 1 is the same thing. When you do keep, change, flip, it's going to be 3 over 4 times 1 over 2. And now that we have this, we can simply multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So 3 times 1 is going to be equal to 3, and then 4 times 2 is going to be equal to 8. And so our final answer here is going to be 3 over 8. Now let's try another problem. Now this time pause the video and try it on your own. But say I were to give you the question 5 over 6 divided by 3. And I told you to find the answer. How would you do this? Well, our steps stay the same. We need to make 3 a fraction. So 5 over 6 divided by 3 is equal to 5 over 6 divided by 3 over 1. And now that we have this, we're going to perform the keep, change, flip rule. So we're going to keep 5 over 6 the same. We're going to change the division to multiplication, and then we're going to flip the 3 over 1 to 1 over 3. And now that we have this, we have 5 over 6 times 1 over 3. We can simply multiply across for the numerator and the denominator. So 5 times 1 is going to be equal to 5, and then 6 times 3 is going to be equal to 18. And so our final answer here is going to be 5 over 18.